Set up for the night in our camper, our little bed. We've got our things on the windows, we've got our privacy. Oops, let me shut that. Let me get my wine and show you. We've finally got the awning up. It's not quite attached to the thing. We've got like little side areas so you can come out. Got a little side bit. You can get in there. There's a door there. Little door there. It's just like a tent really added onto your camper to give you an extra bedroom. It's quite cool, to be fair. I like it. Yeah. It's quite spacious, actually. Loving it. At least you don't need an extra tent. Kids can sleep in here.